shop, ABB's his name. Making river tables is his claim to fame. He's routing perfect edges while I'm standing here with epoxy in my eyebrows and stuck behind my ear. It's a river table, robotic rodeo. He's the star of the show. I'm moving way too slow. That epoxy's nasty as fuck. It's everywhere I go. Welcome to my robotic rodeo. 6 axes moving smooth. He never makes mistakes. While I'm over here creating epoxy lakes. Now he's carving out a canoe with the river resin inside. My robot's gonna paddle off, enjoy the ride. It's a river table, robotic rodeo. He's the star of the show. I'm moving way too slow. That epoxy's nasty as fuck. It's everywhere I go. Welcome to my robotic rodeo. Okay, so I spent $40,000 on this machine, programmed him for 3 weeks straight, and now he's building his own boat to escape. That's just great! It's a river table, robotic rodeo tonight. He's got the skills, I got resin stuck tight. Blue River's perfect, but I'm a total mess. My robot wins, I must confess. So if you need a table, just call my metal friend. He'll route it, sand it, nail it every time. At the robotic rodeo, where robots always win. Rotate.